Luke chapter 15. Sheep and money wey lost parable. Anytime Jesus dey preach, tax collectors and sinners dey come listen to am. But the Pharisee people and the law teachers dey complain say, "This man dey follow sinners shop." So Jesus come tell them this parable. If you get 100 sheep and one loss, you no go leave the 99 wey remain go find that one till you see am. Then when you see am, you go carry am for shoulder dey happy. When you reach house, you go call your friends and your neighbors say, "Make una come follow me happy because I don see my sheep wey lost before." I tell una true word, the happiness wey dey for heaven when one sinner turn from sin come meet God, e pass when 99 good people don already dey with God. Or if one woman get 10 coins and one loss, wetin e go do? E no go light lamp, sweep the whole house until e see am. When e don see am, e go call im friends and neighbors gather come say, "Make una come follow me happy because I don see my money wey e lost before." I tell una true word, na so God angels dey happy when one sinner turn from sin come meet God. Papa wey sorry for him pikin. Then Jesus say, one man dey wey get 2 sons. The younger one come tell him papa, "Give me my own share for our property." So him papa come give am. After some time, the young boy carry everything wey he get, travel go one far country, go waste all him money for yeye life. When he don finish all wetin he get, he no see anything to chop because hunger dey for that country. So he come dey suffer. He come dey work for one man for there. The man dey send am go him farm go give pig food. The hunger come make am dey wan chop the food wey the pig dem dey chop because nobody give am food. But when him eye clear, he come say, "All my papa workers get food wey dem no fit chop finish, but hungry dey nearly kill me for here. I go get up, go meet my papa, tell am, 'Papa, I don sin against heaven and against you. I no reach make dem call me your pikin again. Make you take me as your worker.'" So he get up, come go meet him papa. But when him papa see am dey come from far, he sorry for am, run go meet am, hold am near body, come kiss am. Then the pikin tell am, "Papa, I don sin against heaven and you. I no reach make dem call me your pikin again. Make you take me as your worker." But the papa call him servant come tell them, "Make una bring the best clothes, ring and shoe, and make una wear them for my pikin. Then make una go take the melu wey fat pass, kill am, make we do party because this my pikin die before but now he don come back to life. He lost before but now I don see am." So the party come start. By that time, the senior son dey come from farm where he go work. When he don near house, he come dey hear music and see people dey dance. So he call one servant come ask am wetin dey happen. The servant answer, "Your brother don come back and your papa don come kill the melu wey fat pass because he come back well and nothing bad happen to am." The senior brother come dey vex and did not gree enter house. So him papa come beg am make he enter. So he tell him papa, see, all these years I dey work like slave for you. I did not get any time where I disobey you, but you never give me even one small goat make I go do party with my friends. But when this your pikin come back, after you don waste all your money with ashawo, you can't kill the melu wey fat pass for am. Then the papa tell am, my pikin, you always dey here with me, and everything wey I get na your own. But e good make we do party, because your brother die before, but now he don come back to life. He lost before, but now we don see am.